In this video, let's talk about if it's safe to use Land Cruiser wheel spacers. In fact, Toyota wheel spacers are very safe. They are aftermarket parts that are placed between the wheel hub assembly and wheels. It can push the wheel out slightly, giving it a more flush look with the fenders.
The Land Cruiser wheels are actually fastened to the corresponding wheel hub by a clamping force achieved by tightening the wheel stud of each wheel. All forces are transmitted through each Land Cruiser hub and its corresponding hub assembly.
Therefore, the weight of the Land Cruiser is not placed on any Toyota wheel spacers that are installed. Whether it is Prado, Camry, Highlander, Supra, or Mark X. Half-century Toyota wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, half-century wheel spacers are designed with a half-century ring in the center that fits perfectly on the hub assembly and the wheels.
This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the lug nut can hold it flush against the mounting plate.
These Toyota spacers allow the wheel to better support the weight of the Land Cruiser and fill the gap for a tight fit, reducing any possible of vibration.
Quality Toyota wheel spacers provide distinct performance advantages. Many Toyota wheel spacers are made of the aluminum alloy.
But remember that the forged ones are always better than cast ones. Bonus forged multi-stage half-century Toyota wheel spacers are considered safer and more reliable.
The half-century metal rings is machined in a multi-layer process,
and the transference match the corresponding hub flange, eliminating any possible gaps. The machining accuracy of 0.02 mm ensures a high-quality surface.
The higher the accuracy of the contact surface, the better the fit of the Toyota wheel spacers, and the safer your driving will be. Thus, bonus forged multi-stage half-century Toyota wheel spacers will effectively reduce the chance of vibration and keep your wheels safe all the way. In addition, bonus FT cooling Toyota wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of Toyota wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Also, bonus forged FT cooling Toyota wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drivers peace of mind.
All in all, as long as we install high-quality half-century wheel spacers on Toyota Land Cruiser correctly, they are very safe to use. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and as always, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day!